and today we'll be doing the review of the two phones Vivo V25 and Vivo V25 Pro. Let's begin the review of these two phones together as one review, and these two are the new mid-ranger smartphone with some standout features. The Vivo brand has become synonymous with photographic innovation and sleek designs in recent years, and both elements are on display here. Both phones come with a bold design that utilizes the color changing glass on the back. This shifts from to a deeper color exposed to sunlight. Besides the color shifting color called surfing blue, and the Vivo V25 Pro model also comes in black variant, black color. I mean, the Vivo V25 comes in color shifting aquamarine blue or sunrise gold or plain old diamond black.
In terms of the shape, Pro goes with a classic flagship look like a dull curved edges with a Vivo, while the Vivo V25 goes with a more current look with the iPhone SQ flat edges. The teardrop notch on the V25 isn't quite so modern, but there might be a fair reason for this chunky component that we'll go into later. Vivo has been given its Pro model a 6.56 inches 120 Hz refresh rate FHD plus OLED display with an in-display fingerprint sensor, while the Vivo V25 goes with a complete flat 6.44 inches 90 Hz refresh rate FHD plus OLED display. The latter's biometric system is dashed behind the power button on the right edge.
Yes, now as we head into the its performance. So basically, the Vivo V25 Pro gives you with the MediaTek Dimensity 1300 and also its lower spec Dimensity 900. So both come with either an 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM. Now, for the both phones are also assisted with the OIS assisted 64 megapixel ultra sensing main cameras, but also the Pro uses a larger, more advanced image sensor. These are accompanied by the 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel in on macro in both places. So interestingly, the Vivo V25 has also appeared to show the this show selfie camera, a 50 megapixel with eye autofocus, and the V25 Pro has come with a 32 megapixel selfie camera and also an AF. Now let's head into the battery and
On the battery front, the Vivo V25 Pro has a larger 4830 mAh cell and 66 watt of wired charging, while the Vivo V25 gives you a 4500 mAh cell and 44 watt of charging, pretty speedy all round. And both of the phones, which is Vivo V25 Pro and Vivo V25, have rolled out today in 20 territories across Southeast Asia, South Asia, Latin America, and Middle East, and no specific pricing has been announced. But the Vivo has been known to dip its toes in Western markets with the likes of the Vivo X60 Pro. However, we'll be keeping an eye out for a wider release.
Yes, my bad, my bad. What's the problem? Wait a minute. I'm having a lot of dust. Okay, so
If you guys want more tech videos like you guys have to subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on the notification button, because if you guys turn on the notification button, you guys will get notified if we send a new video. And share this channel to your family, friends, family members, and all of your relatives. And comment on this video. And that's all. My name is Nathaniel.
My name is John.
my name is Jonas. We are Tech Insider signing off.
Bye.